What is up, YouTube? It's Killerrain Gold. I'm back here today. It's Valentine's Day, and it's so beautiful for the boxes to unreveal. It might be a day or so late, but you guys will really think they're really sexy. And my look that I picked, head to toe, I was like, oh, damn. I have a lot of things to show you guys today. Beautiful, sexy me. Got two mystery box. I got two plushies too. And I got my mirror, my Jeffree Star weed mirror. Kiss to that girl. I'll put a little bit of lip stuff on to touch it up. If you guys don't know me, my name's Killerrain Gold, so beautiful queen. I always try to look so sexy for you guys. Sexy as heck. You wanna with me? Oh. Well, it looks sexy, and I approve everything he makes. Well, that's it for the mirror. I just wanted to show you. Sexy. Put some gloss on. Onto the box. I'll take you guys over. Okay. A little sexy. Here are my plushies that I got. Got the black plushie, so cute and furry. I was like, well, it looks like quality, smells like an ox. I think that's what it is. And I got the pink one. I didn't unopen it just because like it might get dirty. This is my new pink rug. Ooh, it's cute. And I'll be moving on. These are the two mystery box, the bigger one and the littler one. I'm gonna start on the littler one just because, well, of course it's the littler one. We'll just start it from the top and we'll just talk a little bit about the item. Red wrapping paper. I think that was from that box actually. This is a very beautiful item. It's not the biggest bag in the world, but it's very cute. I didn't open it because it was a Valentine special little mini heart. I'm definitely gonna keep that for the future for just to save it. It's cute. Here is your beautiful. I'm just looking through the box. Hi. Okay. This is what I was excited about. A mini rainbow breaker. This is awesome. I never got one of the mystery box, so someone will love this. I might sell that because I have one, but the colors are ridiculous. I should have put the purple. Just look into this. I think it'd be perfect. I got pink kitty. I actually got two of these, but I got rid of one. It's like a special edition pink. I might show it in a video. I might not. I might not even open it. This was pretty cool. It's like lavender corrector cotton candy powder that he makes. I just don't know if I want to open to keep the whole thing, but beautiful. Shiny, shiny. These are some singles, ice tray. Camouflage fetish, champion fetish, poison ivy. I think there was one more, but I got rid of it. All these boxes were a great value. I think this one was $140 or $160, a $300 value. And then I think this is $100, and you get like $200 or $300 worth value. You just gotta wait a little bit. And this is highlighter frozen peach. It is very neutral, very good for shiny if you don't want anything too overbearing. Very beautiful. And I think I got one of these the other week, but I actually bought it when it was on sale. The green lip. I will open it to show you. I think it was a very sexy lip thing. You get a lot of different options between colors. You get greens, light greens, browns, mints. I really like that mint. Very beautiful. Reminds me of Tiffany, Breakfast at Tiffany, but it's a little bit lighter. This is one of the lip singles that I got. It's like more of a brown tan. Still beautiful. I won't use it, but someone might. And then I think this is the last item. The Orgy palette. I think I got like 10 of these over the last month. Mostly got rid of them. Never kept one, but they are sexy and beautiful. I can see the name why Not everybody can have it, but I would have an orgy. I don't care. This is Jeffree Star skin. It's coming out very soon. I'm gonna get it. Okay, that was all the items for the rainbow box. It even came with a rainbow wrapping paper too. I just didn't have that all on. I'm probably not gonna put that all back in order right now. But I'll throw that to the side. Put the orgy palette to the side. Okay. I was like, ooh. Oh, very cute. Let's see me side to side. Maybe I can get a little different view of angles if I do this right. Moving on to the big box. Let me try to slide this over. This might work. This might not work, you know. But I will try. And moving on to the big box. Killerrain's about to get into the big box. This item right here, I did not open this very sexy heartbreaker box. I did not unopen it. You can see it's not broken or sealed. Save it for the future. Maybe I think it'll be worth something. If so, I'm probably gonna open this just because it was a sexy shirt. It was pink, the Valentine special, and I don't think he's gonna sell or make any of these items, especially the palette. This is price tag. This is from Blood Money. Green is so sexy. That is like a little bit of the color. If you can see, it's like a shiny peach pink. It mostly comes up as peach. This is strawberry gum lip scrub. Love all of them. And here is some individuals. Private Island. Divine. I can't pronounce that. Razor Blade. That's an awesome one. Razor Blade's a good find. That's a silver. And well, Jeffree Star light too. I got a Jeffree Star light. It blows up. It's actually over there on my stand. I can show it at the end of the video. I got a yellow Kale magic corrector. I don't think I'll use it, but I'll probably gift it away. This is the nude palette. Send me nudes here. Girls, you send me nudes. That's good. That is the nudes. I'll probably get rid of that pretty quick. A lot of girls are into nudes and shinies. Like, they're mostly into shinies or they're just dull nudes. But that is fine. This is a special edition Valentine's. I see it online for like $20, $40 just for one lip. Even the pink kitty and the brown one, because it's so special how they look too. It's like shiny red and everything. So it's worth getting the box. It's worth buying everything all around. And here's another gloss, perfectly clear. It's good to mix and confuse different colors. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you my nails. So sexy. Forgot to show you. That is my nails. Very glitterful. It's like orbs of pink glitter. So sexy. I forgot to show you those. Maybe I'll show it towards the end. This is Salisbury Skin. I don't think I ever used it. It's like a brownish tan red, something like that, pinkish. It's hard to explain that color, but very sexy color. Another Jeffree Star skin. Can't wait. Jeffree Sweet. This is one of his new Supreme colors in Prosiment. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it looks pretty good. Somebody will grab that quick. Another Orgy palette at the bottom. I'm not gonna mess with that. Oh, there's a single I forgot. 1985. 1985. Oh yeah, that's probably a good song, good time. It's just the color, you know what I mean? I wouldn't rock the color, but I might wear it. This is what a lot of people are waiting for, this palette right here, the Heartbreaker. A lot of people wanted to see it. We'll break it out just so people can see it. I might as well. It's a special edition. Only come with this box. It's like the Christmas one, but this is the Valentine's one. You'll see why a lot of people wanted to get it. This is like a purple, this is like a pink, and this is like gold. I will do a little swipe test so you guys can see it. That's like a goldish pink. And this is like a straight candy pink. He made this several colors like this. But the gold and the purple, I never see anything like them. So it's worth checking out to see if it's worth getting. I'd say it's worth getting. Those are the colors. There's gold, pink. It's like a baby cotton candy pink, and then there's like a purple copper color. It's a Valentine's color. You know what I mean? It's pretty. This is how your beautiful queen is looking. Pretty beautiful for Valentine's. Hopefully you guys have a beautiful, beautiful Valentine's. I will stay sexy, say Lazarus in my love kingdom of love. I will pray and love for others when people cannot. I will love when others can't. I love you guys. Much love. Peace out. Hearts, Valentine's to your day. And I'll be sending a lot of hearts and love to your day.